All right, I want to check in on the state of North Korea. Maybe walk the fans back in North Korea off the ledge here. First of all, this event. If you win, you get a new apartment and refrigerator. If you lose, you may get sent to a labor camp. How do you feel about that? No? Okay, so people are wondering, which outcome will we get to see? The one that gets you sent to a labor camp, or the one that gets you the new refrigerator? Walk us off the ledge here. Which outcome shows up?
North Korea style. 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 Big. Brand new stance. Ladies can now wear pants. People stop but they can eat a pizza while they dance.
They get your stance, and I don't think they'll dance. Baby, they prefer us to a labor camp. You know what I'm saying? Olympic style. NBC Olympic style. Slow motion. NBC Olympic style.